Hello there, welcome to my channel. In this, I'm just going to do a really short video. I had a viewer recently post a question regarding annotations on books, and here we have the Boox Max. It's so big it doesn't even fit on the screen. And basically what that person wanted was a specific feature that Boox doesn't do, but I thought there was an annotation feature that was pretty close to what that viewer was requesting. And I'm just going to go over it here because I described it in the post, but it's better to see it than it is to read it, to understand what I'm saying. So let's go ahead and go right into Documents. I'm going to click on this. I'm going to go into my documents. I'm just going to go ahead and go into this consolidated financial report, which is a PDF file. And here we are, and we'll just go ahead and stick on this cover page. Now what's critical here, let me go ahead and refresh the screen. What's critical here is that we're going to use one of our AI tools, whether it's circle to annotate or underline. It really doesn't matter. And let's go ahead now, and I'll go ahead and underline this first line here, like so. And if we give it a moment, it's going to now highlight that line. Now here on the top row, I could format it different ways. I can put like an underline, either straight, squiggly, or dashed, or I can highlight it. None of that matters. It's just the aesthetics of how it's viewed on the screen. We'll go ahead and make it super obvious by using that highlight like that. But the key feature I want to show is this item right here, which is like a book with a stylus on it. So I'm going to go ahead and click on that. And now I have the ability to add in an annotation that's connected to this highlighted item. Now I could either go down here and type that annotation in, or I can write in the annotation and it will translate into the screen. So let's just go ahead and do that. Here is my note. See how well it captures that. And yeah, pretty good. And we'll go ahead and click Update. All right, so now the highlight remains. You'll notice that in this upper corner, there's this little circle with 3 dots. So if I click on that, then, actually, let me tap it with my finger. There we go. Then you have this box that comes up and says whatever it is that I typed into the annotation. And this is what the viewer was asking for. Is there somewhere where you can create boxes with your annotation? And I think he wanted, I'm assuming it's he, wanted the annotations just naturally on the screen, you know, the box showing up. And Boox doesn't do that, but it does do this, where you can click on that button and it will come up accordingly. Now, if I go ahead and tap on the document, I'm going to go down to Contents. And you can see here under this icon here, you can see that's the note I typed in right there. And then you can see the thing that I highlighted here just below it. And I can go ahead and get rid of it by clicking on Delete. Let's go ahead and do that. And we'll go ahead and delete it. And then it goes away like so. So that's how that functionality works. I think that's the closest to what the viewer wanted. If you the individual that asked for that, let me know in the comments if this is what you were looking for and if this meets your needs or not, and I'll respond accordingly. All right, I will see you later.